How to change email address on Binance account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change email address on Binance account. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Binance application on your device. Once opened, make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Once you have ensured that you are signed in, you will be led to the homepage of Binance. In here, tap on the Binance logo on the top left of your screen. You will then see your username. Tap on that and now go ahead and tap on the security option. You will now see the option for email. Tap on that and further tap on the edit button beside your existing email. You will then be required to enter your Face ID or passcode for verification purpose. So go ahead and enter that. Once entered, you will be led to the interface from where you can change your email address. So enter your new email address in the text box you see there and tap on the Get Code button. You will now receive a verification code in the email you just entered. So go ahead and enter the code in the Enter Verification Code text box and tap on the Submit button. And if the code that you entered is correct, your email will be changed successfully. So this is how you can change email address on Binance account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.